Hello there, I am Netra Raghuraman and welcome to a brand new episode of The Assignment. The corporate celebrity we are going to take on today is Gomti Shankar. Gomti is the General Manager, Lifestyle Consumer Goods at Philips Electronics India Limited. Today, we take her on a completely new assignment.
Hi, my name is Gomti Shankar. I work as GM Marketing with Philips Lifestyle Entertainment. My job is to make a business plan for all the portfolio that I handle, which is essentially Philips headphones, Philips MP3, MP4 player that we call Go Gear, digital photo frames, portable DVD.
She exudes a quiet confidence. I think Gomti is one of those professionals who do her job very quietly. So you need a lot of tenacity and resilience and ability to pursue your goals. And I see these characteristics in Gomti.
As a person, I think I'm someone who loves life, someone who lives very much in the present, fun-loving person, and taking and living life to the fullest. Shopping is a big stress buster. Definitely clothes shopping, watches, shoes, bags, they always give you a high. As a marketer, I think that's always good to not be in a very familiar environment and be challenged. So that for me was very exciting, which is why I agreed to do the show.
Gomti, you're assigned to a small farm 2 hours away from your current location. The place is a small village in the hinterland of Uttar Pradesh, Dastoi. Your assignment involves understanding the workflow and current operations at the farm. Your host for this assignment will be Binesh Singh Chaudhary.
मैं भारतीय किसान नाम बिनेश सिंह, मेरा गांव दस्तोई है, जिला गाजियाबाद, उत्तर प्रदेश का रहने वाला हूं। मैं आर्मी से रिटायर होकर के गांव में आकर दस्तोई में मैं अपनी खेती संभाल रहा हूं। हम 24 घंटे बारिश हो, धूप हो, गर्मी हो, सर्दी हो, हम हर मौसम में अपना काम बड़े शौक से करते हैं। शहर से जो आएंगे, एक दिन के लिए मैं उनको कहूँगा कि मैनेज करें, ये उनके लिए चैलेंज है।
So I've got my assignment. It's very different from what I usually do and my work domain. I'm looking forward to the task.
Leaving behind her comfortable job at Gurgaon, Gomti sets on the journey for her assignment, away from her current corporate job at Philips to a small farm in Dastoi village.
So when I was told that I need to go to a farm, I had no idea as to what I was supposed to do there. Whether, I have to do everything that a farmer does, or do I have to do the logistics part or measure the productivity, or what will I be doing?
We're in the village. We just saw a wedding. There's the car. And I think we're almost there now.
On her way to Dastoi, Gomti looks excited and anxious. Finally, she meets Binesh Singh Chaudhary, her new boss for the day.
So when I first met our host, Binu Chaudhary, it was raining and he opened the car door and he got us an umbrella.
नमस्कार जी।
There were like hundreds of villagers watching us. It definitely made me feel that some kind of VIP has landed with a big entourage. And it was like almost like a dream-like state over there, and I felt really important.
Chaudhary ji briefs Gomti about the assignment over a cup of tea. Gomti looks confident about her task, but does she really know what she's taken up?
हाँ जी, आप काम बताने वाले थे, क्या करना है?
काम अभी आपको खेत में धान लगवाना है जी। उसके बाद आपने चरी कटवानी है खेत से, फिर वो यहाँ लेके आएंगे हम, उसको यहाँ गंडासे पे कटवाना है, फिर वो पशुओं को डालना पड़ेगा और फिर उसका दूध भी निकलवाना पड़ेगा।
There were so many tasks which I had to completely do, so my mind immediately started racing about how I'll finish all of this. I didn't know how much time each takes, but I definitely knew there's a lot of physical labor involved, so mentally I was racing myself to go out in the heat there and do all of these tasks.
तो अभी हम आपको खेत में ले चलेंगे जी
चलो
और वहाँ आपसे काम कराएंगे।
Chaudhary ji takes Gomti to the farm on his tractor.
Somehow the whole idea of actually sitting in a tractor was very exciting. So when he told me we were going on a tractor, I actually wanted to drive the tractor myself.
ये फर्स्ट है।
ये 1 हो गया।
अच्छा।
अब धीरे धीरे कलच छोड़ दो आप।
थोड़ा फास्ट कर दूँ?
एक किसान का काम अगर इस तरह होगा तो इसके पशु भी भूखा मरेंगे और वो भी भूखा मरेगा। ऐसा काम चलेगा ही नहीं।
Which company does Gomti Shankar work for? A. Philips Electronics. B. Sony Electronics. To participate in the contest, SMS your answers to 59995 or log on to www.yourmoneysite.com/theassignment2. Viewers who send correct answers to this question stand a chance to win a cool new Nokia C3 mobile phone.